got so much motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, make it come. I got 3 old guys, I'm the guap, bitches on my line, and you know.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alfia Natasha. Today I'm in Ulaci Field Life, where this field life experience natural disaster family fight on 26 November 2025. We can see that people are damaged by fire, and even they lose their homes. The impact of flooding is massive and felt by various levels of society, especially flat for residents to evacuate and stop daily activity like school and work. From the economic side, flood caused damage to the house, furniture, agricultural land, fisheries, and interfere with community business activity. In addition, flood also of diseases such as diarrhea, skin diseases, and dengue fever due to a clean environment. The impact of flooding is massive and felt by various levels of society, especially flat for residents to evacuate and stop daily activity like school and work. From the economic side, food caused damage to the house, furniture, agricultural land, fisheries, and interest with community business activities. In addition, flood is also of diseases such as diarrhea, skin diseases, and dengue fever due to a clean environment. The cause of the flood came for extreme weather conditions, where rain dropped in very high intensity and lasts continuously for a long time. Heavy rainfall causes the soil to be unable to absorb water optimally, so that water flow to rivers and residential areas. The results caused by flood are not only temporary, but also the long-term. Infrastructure site and roads, bridges, and public facilities take a big time and cost to repair. The environment becomes polluted by mud, waste, and rubbish, while people have an impact on trauma. In the response to government police, several parties assess the government response is still not optimal, and then to be slow in facing this disaster. Until now, the government has not determined the status of the national disaster, so that the handling of flood is more charged to local government. This condition is considered to inhibit the acceleration of aid and mobilization of resources that should be carried out more quickly. That's all about flooding in Aceh, Sumatra. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.